Indonesian students already had critical thinking skill, or have Indonesian teacher successfully applied 2013 curriculum? Hello Indonesia, my name is Adinisi Muhammad as mahasiswa berprestasi Universitas PGRI Adibuana Surabaya 2019. For pemilihan mahasiswa berprestasi, I present kegiatan berpikir kritis for constructing critical thinking skill in students in Indonesia. Kegiatan berpikir kritis will support 4 points of sustainable development goals, namely quality education, as well as support 2013 curriculum as the current education curriculum in Indonesia. The journey of Indonesia in developing critical thinking skill, which is one of 21st century skill, is still experiencing many problems.
Dipungkiri, penerapan kurikulum 2013 masih banyak kendala. Tidak sedikit SDM guru masih meraba-raba penerapan kurikulum ini. Hal serupa diakui Kepala SMA Negeri 5 Denpasar, Nyoman Winate.
As we know that critical thinking skill is already put in 2013 curriculum to be taught in pedagogical practices. Even though 2013 curriculum has already served a better guidelines and models, however, it still hasn't been achieved optimally. It is proved by the quality education in Indonesia is still in a very low rank among other countries. And the most crucial one is the number of hoax news in Indonesia is increasing.
Jumlah pengaduan konten negatif yang disebar melalui aplikasi pesan instan misalnya. Kominfo mencatat jumlahnya juga meningkat kan? Di bulan Januari, Kementerian Komunikasi dan Informatika mengidentifikasi ada 175 aduan hoax atau berita bohong.
Thus, this program will expectedly become a helpful measure for constructing critical thinking skill for students in Indonesia. Critical thinking skill is necessary, especially for students in Indonesia, in order to face their personal and social problem and able to solve this problem optimally. As well as Paul and Elder has already stated in 2006 that critical thinking skill is a mode of thinking to analyze, assess, and reconstruct any object, problem, and content. The government has already done several efforts in order to build critical thinking skill for students in Indonesia in making 2013 curriculum, and it has several programs in it, such as HOTS or High Order Thinking Skill, 4C or Communicative, Collaborative, Creative, and Critical Thinking, PPK or Pendidikan Penguatan Karakter, and the last is Literacy. However, in fact, most of Indonesian teachers still tend to find any difficulties in applying those programs in pedagogical practices. Therefore, kegiatan berpikir kritis will solve those problems, and it has several activities in it. The first one is telling story group, the second one is summary session, the third local visit, and the last one is peer teaching. The first activity is telling story group. This activity will train the students to think critically in giving information of their story as well as giving opinion and questions towards the story. The second one is summary session. This activity will train the students about how to write down briefly and critically about what they read. In addition, this activity also supports program of Gerakan Literasi Sekolah. The third activity is local visit. Local visit is an activity for students to observe, analyze, and report an information of places they visit. The last activity is peer teaching. Peer teaching will give an opportunity for students to teach their friends and junior friends. Henceforth, the students will know how to deliver an information of the subject critically. This program is expected to become a recommendation for the government as well as support the 4th point of Sustainable Development Goals, namely quality education, and support the 2013 curriculum in Indonesia. I strongly believe that the establishment of kegiatan berpikir kritis will construct the critical thinking skill for students in Indonesia. Thank you.